This company sent me this eyebrow kit. It is iMethod Beauty, and it is their templates that you can choose from to fit your eyebrows. And they have lots of different colors. Eyebrow filler with like a pouncing sponge and a spoolie and a little tiny angled brush so that you can, create, hairs. You can draw in your eyebrows. We are gonna give it a try. I tried it yesterday and I didn't have my setup right, so I couldn't see what I was doing. So we're gonna try it again today with a better setup. So I'm going to fill my sponge. And then I chose this template. And you're gonna fit it right over the shape of your eyebrow and hold it there. And then start at the end. And you're gonna pounce this sponge to fill. And let's see. Well, look at that. I still need to help this end a little bit, but that's okay because I can use the other pencil. So we are going to do the other. It's pretty good. So that's just with the filler. It's a pretty good color match. They have lots of different colors. But now we're going to use, it is the same company, and it is a tool that has, if you can see, it has little hairs. It's a brush that mimics hairs. We're gonna help our little ends here. Give it a little bit more natural look. Nice, that works really well. And they have matching colors across both products, so you're sure to get a unified fill. That looks really good. I'm gonna go a little under just to fill in where my natural eyebrows are. I don't usually do much with my eyebrows plucking wise. I learned my lesson in the 90s, early 2000s. You remember, your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. So they don't have to be exactly the same. That looks really good. And that's quite a bit faster than my usual method. So again, the company is iMethod, and it's called the Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds Kit. And I'm using color 06, which is like a brown black. And it looks really nice. I think doing your eyebrows is like the one thing, especially someone who's my age, filling in your eyebrows, I don't know, makes me feel like 10 years younger. So I think this is a great idea. I'll link it here.